This happened the same. Just a heads up. And also come with your toolkits and your precision glue, which is my best friends for crystal placements, I have to say. So I try to line this one up. Hopefully I get it right. Lay it right in the center, and then using your tweezer. If you don't have it, that's okay. Get the piece of paper and then you can rub it. Because sometimes my hands had a cuticle oil, or the oil, natural oil from your body, or sometimes make you feel like you press them really cool, hard, but it's not hard enough to transfer it. So make sure it's good rub on it, so then that way it will transfer for you. If you miss anything, just like it back up. Oh, it doesn't have it in here because I didn't press it enough on that. Good, good. We'll dress them up there. You see that? Okay, so now what we're gonna do is crystal placements for this one. It's gonna be kind of a fun nails. And this is gonna be for like a summer nails. I'm not using condensed glue gel. It's really thick density. We're gonna go with this as the first step. Boogie's night. Bougie, bougie. That's what, do I miss something? I was like, it's amazing. Thanks so much, Corina. All right, so what I'm gonna do is it's okay. I'll open it again. Oh, it's already in.
No, it crashes only about 40 minutes.
Oh, okay. Sorry, everyone. Welcome back. Yep. Welcome back to our live tutorial. Sorry that it would crash or something. It happened. Hi, Keja. Thanks so much, love, for tuning right back in. I appreciate it so much. Somehow it just crashed on me. It's probably, it was like waiting for us doing it really fun nails before. All right, hi Zoe, hey love, hi Eric, hi Debbie, thanks so much for tuning back in. Sorry, somehow it's just like just crashed on me. I have no idea. So I'm using this collection. It's really make me so stunning on this one. I'm gonna place some of like, you know, like seashell here, and then, you know, like, you feel like an ocean theme to me. I'm just putting outline. So I did the condensed glue gels, and then next I applied the top coat. I just outline just first, and then we can go from there. There's some shells here. I guess I use them all. Where's starfish? At least I got some starfish. This is such an interesting collection of the frame, rose gold frame. I know, I love rose gold. So much fun to play with. Okay. It is so cool though. It's had huge beads in here. Oh, come back. It's had a huge bead in there. I might put it in there for 3D though. It's really cool though. Alright. So can you get me a Bahamas too? Bahamas. Someone using a ruby rose. And let's see what we can play with this. And do not afraid of to combine like 2 colors together. I cover my plumeria. However, this is cool though, because if you want to do the crystal placement down here, you can't. But if you want like different crystals, and do not afraid to get them like it's really cool that the charms, I love it, how I frame really cool. But if, just in case none of them are turning it the way you want it, you can always using a frame bender and bend it. It's such a great thing. You can bend the way you want it. If you want to be more curved, more straight, you can absolutely control your frame without frustrated of, you know, they are coming straight. Look at it, even it's go on the opposite sides, but it's just really go along with the nails. So you don't have to worry about. You can use any stud. I like to fill it in the spot right there. This one is really fun to play with. Smaller one.
No, that's not it.
Thank you.
That's not it.
There's more in there.
Okay.
I think in there too. And there's another.
Okay. You get the other one.
And you can fill in all the gaps that you want to. I'm gonna do it right down here. You can hear in the background, I have so many like storage that, so.
You doing good though?
Yeah, should be fine. I'll move this one. Sorry, I will try to keep it straight like that. So you kind of go into and then see what part are missing. And in missing, you can fill it in. I kind of want to get that. Let me get one of the big piece of the big beads. Stunning. It's funny, I always wanted to get that big piece in there. There's another one. I can't really do it. Be right there. You can do so many. It's so much fun. Do not afraid of to play with them. Really. Hey Marie, we using gels we're using a glue gel. Actually, the glue gel, it needs to be clear under LED lights. So that's what we're using is condensed glue gels to apply a really thick density. So you can really sit back and ensure your crystal placements will last up to 3 to 6 weeks. So we're using condensed and clear condensed glue gels, and we apply with our no wipe top coat. There's two second step from the crystal placements. It will help really grab the crystal, stay in one place. But you know what? I think I should get some yellow, and I don't know why I didn't see that. But I'm gonna add it in. Hopefully it's gonna complement. You can do that yellows, or you can't. I think I got some yellow. Take care. Because just look at, I think, I don't know if that is I saying right, it's Pomeria, or might be. So summary, we using a glue gel, so you want to need to cure it. Like, it's not curing right now, it's still wet because we place the crystal placements on the top of uncured condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. Until you place your crystal and you're happy with what you're doing, and then you're gonna cure it. So you have plenty of time and playing with your products if you need to. Like, say if you need to get like all this different crystal adjust, or you have a lot of time to work on it first before it dry, you know. So, and absolutely is here the base of the crystal, so you don't have to worry about rushing until you're really happy with the design you want. Yes, the reason when you use both condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, what it does, it will help not only to finish. After you finish, this nail will be completely like done on the surface, so you don't have any tacky layer, and you don't have to worry about it tacky, sticky underneath of your crystals. Also, the uncured no wipe top coat and condensed glue gel will help to grab the angle, the base of the crystals, and grab it around the base of it. So then it's not only you have one, it's actually double to hold tight your crystals before you cure it. And in just a little bit when we finish this, we're gonna using a pre-seasoned glue, which is a third step of Trifecta, and then you're gonna able to really double secure, like triple secure it, all your crystal, and then prevent from catching on the hair or on the clothes, anything else that clients is can, you know, like you could thinking of. Like, I work a lot, it would catching on my hair because I have long hair, so then it could be catching my hair if I don't have this. And even I'm wearing a lot of different cool charms on my nails, it's never been bothering me at all. So I'm really like pleased with that. So I think I'm good. If you want to do more, you can continue to play more, but I think I'm like good again. But look, everyone, I have a background underneath and I cover it up. But however, it's just an idea for crystal placement. But if you like it without crystals placement, you can just do in halo along with the cuticles area. I think it looks really cute and it's great as well. But if you decide to do some crystal placement and then funds, that's how it's gonna look. And you can do it in like diagonals for the nails. You can do right in the middle, you can do just a corner down here, however you prefer it. I am going to cure this one for 60 seconds, and in the meantime we're gonna do a pre-seasoned glue on all of them that we've been done. Okay, so great.